Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix Gcash update problems. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. This is essential for downloading and installing updates. Now go to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you are on an iOS device. Search for Gcash and see if there is an update available. If there is, go ahead and update the app. Sometimes the app's cache can cause problems with updates. On Android, you can clear the cache by going to Settings in Apps and find Gcash. Go to Storage and Cache and select Clear Cache. On iOS, go to Settings, then Gcash and select Offload App. After that, you can reinstall the app. Next, restart your device. This can often resolve minor software glitches. Make sure your device's software is up to date as well. If you are still experiencing issues, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Gcash app from the App Store. If nothing else works, it's best to reach out to Gcash support. You can find them on their website. Call the hotline at 632-8245-2442 or reach out through their social media channels. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.